Welcome. In this quick start tutorial, we are going to take a look at how easy it is to get an assisted review project up and running. This tutorial will focus on conducting a priority review where the goal is to find all relevant documents as efficiently and cost-effectively as possible using machine learning to rank and funnel documents to the review team. ZyLab Assisted Review is accessed through the Matter menu on the left. To create a project, click Add Project from the ellipsis in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Give the project a name. Next, define which documents to include in the review. Here you have the option to select all documents or a subset of documents based on a pre-existing query, which we will use for our project. Topic modeling and validation is not needed for this project. See the additional training videos for information on these features. When the initial project setup page is complete, click Create. Next, we will define the issue or the topic on which the system will be trained. To add an issue, select Add Issue. Enter the issue name and add a description if desired. The name entered here will appear as a tag in the legal review matter where you will review and code the training documents. Next, select which documents should be used in the training set. These are the documents that will be tagged during the assisted review process to allow the machine to learn. Training sets can be based on a random set, a predefined query, or pre-coded documents in your matter. We will be using a predefined query based on our travel confirmation issue. Once the document selection has been made, enter the training batch size. For this quick tutorial, we are only using 10 documents per batch. In your review, you may choose a larger batch size. However, keeping the training batches small allows the system to learn more quickly and more often. Click Save. The next step is a confirmation page. The system will now calculate all the settings and generate the initial training batch and legal review. When the status changes from in progress to ready and the project dashboard appears, the project setup is complete. We can now begin the review process by returning to the legal review matter. The training set documents for the assisted review project can be found in the assisted review training batch facet. Simply open the batch in the document list and begin your review. As you can see, responsive and not responsive tags based on the issue travel confirmation have been created. Based on the document being viewed, apply the applicable tag. Continue to review and tag all of the documents in the training batch until finished. Reviewing the documents and determining whether or not the document is responsive provides key information for the machine learning process. Once the initial training set has been reviewed, return to the Assisted Review Project dashboard. On the issue status screen, statistics of the training batch can be viewed, including the number of documents completed and the responsive documents found in the training results. Continue training the system by creating a new training batch, enter the batch size, and click New Training Batch. The system will use the classified documents from the previous training round to populate the next training batch with documents that are most likely relevant based on these classifications. This is determined by the document rankings. The rankings for each issue can be viewed from the document list view in the legal review matter. The ranking is a relevance score indicating confidence that the document is either responsive or not for a specific issue. The higher the score, the higher the confidence that the document is responsive. Based on the rankings displayed, it appears that most, if not all of these documents are relevant to our issue. Let's take a look. Now that we've reviewed the documents, you can see that the rankings were appropriate. As the training progresses, the system will continue to learn and re-rank the documents. Here is another example of an additional training round and their rankings. After each training round, return to the Assisted Review dashboard to review your progress. The gain curve shows how many documents have been reviewed and how many were responsive. The curve will flatten out when the results approach maximum efficiency. Precision of the return set shows how well the current review set was classified based on the previous set of documents reviewed. With proper training, precision should increase each cycle until the desired level is reached. In a priority review, where the goal is to review all responsive documents, continue reviewing training batches until no more responsive documents are found. Usually, after 3 training batches without any responsive documents, it is an indication that there are no more responsive documents left. As you can see, after several rounds, the system is no longer finding relevant documents. By reviewing only 100 documents of the 57,000 plus in our dataset, we were able to quickly reach our goal. The final step, regardless of the TAR method used, is to conduct a final validation protocol to QC the review and demonstrate that the process was reasonable. A variety of validation methods are available and should be determined prior to beginning the assisted review project. It is easy to see how assisted review can maximize your time and effort and cost. Details and results of this project are available as part of the Enron matter in ZyLab's POC environment. In addition, more information on ZyLab Assisted Review can be found in the help icons within the application, in additional training sessions, and at help.zylab.com.